Hey girl, we have the MacBook 2020. Oh no, the 2020 MacBook Air. Yeah, I'm sorry this video is gonna seem a little rushed, and I'm sorry I look like this because I literally okay, so this was actually supposed to come tomorrow. I should have known the air is gonna come on already. Can we turn that off? This was actually supposed to come tomorrow. I was actually going to do my makeup, you know, have a cute outfit on, and I was gonna do a really nice, cute review. Well, it came a couple hours ago, and we didn't know it, or my parents didn't know it until I guess they heard the doorbell ring. I don't know how they found it. They called me downstairs, and it was sitting already open out of the box in the living room. So I'm sorry, but please watch, please enjoy. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm a little rushed because I want to go downstairs and show my parents and show everything that it does. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Okay.
How do you do this? What?
So I actually took the wrapping paper off it. I'm sorry, this is a really bad unboxing. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. There it is. So I'm gonna open it. I don't think y'all can see the desk, but I'm just gonna try and hold it up as much as I can. Ooh, yes, Lord. We are in business, baby. Y'all don't know how long I've been wanting this. Just MacBook in general. I really look like bruh. Hey. Oh, it's upside down. Hey. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Y'all don't understand. I thought this was coming tomorrow. So I was watching all these unboxing videos and reviews and stuff. So one, I would know how to do the unboxing video since I never did one. And two, I was just trying to see how the camera's gonna. Oh, look at it loading, y'all. Yup. Hold on. Let me take this off. Look at it loading out the box and it's loading. This is so pretty. This is the gold or the rose gold, whatever you call it. Yo, it's already setting up out the box.
To use English as the main
language,
hey. Press the return key.
Oh. Press the return key. Okay. Oh, y'all also got the charger in here. Y'all already know. And the directions, the cable block thing.
Turn it on and set up your Mac.
I don't.
If you would like to learn how to use
the voiceover quick start. Voice can be used to control the computer using only your keyboard.
I don't want to do this,
press
so
the escape key.
Skip. Y'all, it's not skipping. What's going on? Hello. Okay. Oh, is it like a little bounce pad? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Touchpad actually clicks. Okay. I didn't know that. Setting up your Mac. Setting up your Mac. Okay, I just set up my MacBook Air. So this is the finished product. Yeah, this is really cute. I really don't know what else to say. This is really cute. I know this is compared to the 2015 Mac, they're smaller, and I noticed that older ones would have a border, and this one, as much screen as you get, and then it's just this part right here. I gotta add my pictures and stuff in here. Oh my god, I got ow, oh my god. So, but yeah, this is it. Here's the little instructions. I guess I'll be reading through these more. I think I'll do a week update on how it is, and I brought a cover to go with it. So that's it. Okay, so yesterday, like I said, my MacBook came in the mail. I was expecting it to come today, but it came last night. So I felt like I rushed the video too much, and I didn't really get to show you guys or do the video the right way, because I was trying to hurry up and do everything. So I continue to set it up after the video. I've already did a full day of using it today. I'm actually going to show you guys 1 day update of the whole thing. And yeah, so first things first, as you can see, this is it. It's really lightweight. It's so easy to carry around. The screen, when you first look at it, it does look a little small at first, but it's a good size screen. And especially how the older MacBooks have the borders, and this one kind of doesn't, or this border is thinner. It also has a Touch ID, which is right here. And oh, that's my schoolwork. If I go out of this, Hold up. I was having so much trouble. I was like, why can't I like exit out of my stuff? Actually, I don't know if y'all can see that while I'm talking about this. I don't know if y'all can see this, if it's focused or not. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Yeah, I also figured out how to like add folders on here. I put up my little screensaver. I'm gonna change it, but I just wanted like a picture up for right now. I also downloaded iMovie so I can edit my stuff. One thing that I did not know was about the ports. I thought you could like, I thought it was like a regular USB, so you can like port your phone in there, or I could plug my camera up and just like immediately port my videos and stuff to here. It doesn't have that, and I don't know if that's like what the newer computers have. I don't know, I've never had a MacBook before, so, but it has USB-Cs, so I had to order an adapter for my camera that can let me upload my videos to here. And so that's supposed to be coming in a few days, and then I can start editing and stuff like that. I'm in the middle of the video. One thing I didn't know about this thing was not all the apps like on the App Store, like on a regular like iPhone or iPad is on here. I don't know if that was just like an ignorant thing or that I just had to figure out myself, but I didn't know that. Also, iMovie is almost very different from when you download on your phone. Even though it's not like Final Cut Pro good, like it does have like more options than your phone would. And so I'm actually still trying to figure out how to use this, but once I do, it's a wrap. Other than that, I absolutely love it. Compared to my other computer that was like pretty much broken, just like working really slow, I absolutely love this laptop. And I think that's it. Yeah, okay, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you already are, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Also, if you want to, you can follow my social medias. They're in the description box and right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are staying at home and staying safe. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I am Cameron, and I am out. Peace.
Yes, of course.